Alright, sir. Stop struggling.
I don't know what you have been talking. I don't do anything.
That's my bag. He grabbed it from me and ran.
You only the stolen bag. Do you still want to deny it?
I saw everything. He snatched the bag and ran it. I choose him, but you can catch him first.
Mr. Esteron, can you confirm this is your bag?
My bag, which had my wallet and phone inside.
You are under arrest for theft. You have the right to remain silent and anything you can say and will be used against you in the court.
I was desperate. I needed money.
That doesn't justify stealing, sir. You all have to answer for this at the station.
From you?
My bag, which had my wallet and phone, are inside.
Can you confirm that that is your bag?
Yes, officer, my wallet and phone are there inside.
Did you see the suspect take your bag?
I felt him grab it to my shoulder.
Did you try to stop him?
I screamed for help and a witness chased him.
Okay, ma'am, last question. Do you want to press charges?
Yes, officer, I want to report the thief.
What did you see?
I saw the suspect snatch the bag and run.
Did you chase him?
Yes, sir. I shouted and ran after him.
Did the suspect resist?
He tried to run, but police Biniga catch him.
Okay, sir. Please state your name and your address.
I'm GCP Kati from Puro 4 Pagusino, SDA.
What were you doing when the theft happened?
I don't know what are you talking.
Did you take the victim's bag?
No, I didn't steal anything.
A witness saw you grab the bag. How do you explain that?
I don't know what they are talking about.
Why did you do it?
I needed money.
So, officer, what did you do when you arrived?
I saw the commotion. I chased the suspect and restrained him.
Did you find the stolen bag?
He said he was still holding it.
What were the suspect words when you caught him?
He said he didn't do anything, but later admitted he needed money.
What actions did you take?
I arrested him and informed him of his right